Hi. My name is Advay and I'm just fixing my EV3 robot from the milestone set, and I built a tank. But today we are not going to talk about EV. So heavy. EV3. But today we are going to talk about all planes. Before we start this plane video, I'm going to ask you a question. So, I built this little toy technic plane, and it has wheels that can be inside or outside. But why? Why do planes have this feature? Well, the main cause to this is friction. When the plane takes off in a flight, the wheels, if they are not close, as the plane is moving fast, the wheels, if not close, interact with air particles, and thus friction is made. So the plane goes slowly. That is why pilots have a special button to close the wheels so that the plane can move faster and no friction can interact between them. So while I play with this Lego plane toy, you can learn about planes more in the future videos. Okay, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And now let me show you a quick run-up. Example. Turn off ready. Everyone to wear the seat belts. Wheels go. Tick. Close wheels. Whee! As they prepare for landing, open wheels and whee! So this is the end of today's video. And please subscribe this video as well. So please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on the red button and subscribe it already. Until the next video, bye! And now more about planes. Whee!